Hi, I'm Aaron, inventor of the YBell, and I want to introduce you to the YBell Online Intro Workshop. This 2-hour online workshop provides an in-depth introduction to the YBell and the basic essentials for safely and efficiently using the product to get the most out of your YBell workouts. You'll learn basic YBell movements, the various YBell grips, the purpose behind the design, and the overall benefits that come from training with this award-winning fitness tool. You will also learn how to design introductory YBell workouts by seeing what has worked so well for me as I demonstrate just how this product can and should be utilized. Once you get familiar with the many kettlebell, dumbbell, double grip medicine ball, and push-up stand exercises using the YBell, you'll learn the basic principles of pod training and get to see just how effective this versatile tool is at creating an endless workout supply. In short, the key highlights of this course are an introduction to the YBell, the importance of the various grips, a range of YBell basic exercises, and an introduction to pod training. This 2-hour online workshop is CEC accredited internationally through NASM and Fitness Australia. NASM has 0.4 CEUs and Fitness Australia has 2 CECs. I hope that this YBell workshop brings as much joy to your YBell training as it does for me, and I look forward to spreading the YBell training community together.